Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by binding your current Mobile Legends account so the game can be moved. Open Settings, tap Account, and choose a binding method: Facebook, Google Play, Apple ID, or Moonton. Complete any verification prompts and confirm email or phone. This creates an account link the new device can use. Once done, make sure the binding shows as active an account. If the game prompts to link multiple services, link at least one reliable option so you can sign in later on another device. On the new device, install the official Mobile Legends app and open it. You can finish the short tutorial or skip straight to Settings account to log in. Either works, but opening account quickly saves time. Choose the exact binding method you used: Facebook, Google Play, Apple ID, or Moonton, and sign in with the same credentials. The game will detect the linked account and offer to restore progress. Approve any permission prompts and wait for Cloud Sync to pull your heroes, skins, and purchases. After signing in, confirm your profile, rank, heroes, BP, and skins are present. If something looks off, restart the app and give the server a minute to sync. If the account didn't appear, return to the original device and recheck account binding. Rebind a different method if possible. Make sure both devices run the latest app version and stable internet. If problems persist, gather your UID, screenshots of binding, and transaction receipts. Then contact Moonton support for account recovery assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.